In this video, we're going to learn how to improve upon our already existing VFX that follows us around. The old one worked perfectly fine, but in this video, I'm going to teach you how to go and get maybe an extra 40 FPS, which is going to be the difference of making and breaking your horror map, especially with more people in it. So let's go ahead and create a new Niagara system. Do this, we right click into the content browser, VFX, Niagara system. Then we're going to go choose minimal. I'll just call this Niagara system underscore YouTube. So here's what it looks like to begin with. We're going to need to change quite a lot of things. First of all, let's go into properties and change it from CPU to GPU. And ours works fine with local space. We can double check that here and we can see we have it on local space and GPU. Inside of emitter state, we actually need to change this to self, I'm pretty sure. I will be checking just to ensure everything's correct. Okay, no, system state, both on system. Cool. Spawn burst instantaneous, we're going to have on 1 and 0. So we need to add that in. Spawn burst instantaneous. 1 and 0, perfect, just what we want. Initialize particle, cool. We want lifetime on 0. Lovely. So let's go ahead and change lifetime to 0 over here. Okay, it all seems fine. In particle state, we want to change this to static mesh location. So let's delete the old particle state and change this to static mesh location. We're going to also change this to mesh sampling to sockets. Next, we're going to delete sprite renderer and put in mesh renderer instead. We're going to choose our mesh. For us, we can go and take the curry. See, everything's there, perfect. And I think, honestly, that is all that we need to do. Yep. Well, actually, don't go yet. This is not finished. We're going to change something extra. Let's go ahead and type in shadow. We're going to disable cast shadows. Unless you really need it. I don't think it's going to be worth having it on in most scenarios. And I have disabled including hit proxy. This might be everything. I think that is actually all you're going to need. Let me just double check by opening this up for you guys. I just remembered that some people may be here for their first video, so we actually need to go do some stuff inside our material, because for our material to show up in a Niagara, let's find the material we're using. For example, let's say in this one. Click onto this checkered background of the material that you're using. Type in Niagara. I can't spell, but Niagara. And I think we just want it for mesh particles. You can enable it for all of them, but I'm pretty sure it's just mesh particles. Pick it up. Not as gigantic as an FPS drop. Obviously, if you need to move where this is inside of mesh renderer, you can change your pivot offsets. Hope it's helpful. Subscribe, use code GISMO, like the video, join the Discord.